The first working typewriter wasn't born in an office. It was built in secret for one blind Italian countess. In the early 1800s, Carolina Fantoni has lost her sight. Letters are her lifeline, but now she must dictate them, with another person hearing every word. Privacy? Gone. Her friend Pellegrino Turri refuses that ending. He disappears into his workshop and starts building a strange machine. Metal arms, blackened paper, a keyboard of raised keys she can feel instead of see. Months later, a letter arrives. Not in handwriting, but in perfect mechanical characters. My dear friend, I want to try the new characters. It's from Carolina, typed by her own hands. It becomes one of the earliest typewritten letters in history, and the machine she used has completely disappeared. No one knows exactly what it looked like, but every keyboard you've touched since is an echo of that invisible invention, built so one woman could finally write in her own voice again. Thanks for watching.